What's up guys, welcome back to another episode with me. It's Chin. I hope you're all doing well. And today I will be filming my current favorites, or basically my monthly favorites or lockdown favorites. So if you're into this type of video, please continue watching. So I do have a lot of stuffs here, such as beauty, skincare stuffs, beauty tools, and what else? Home stuff. So first we're gonna go in with beauty or skincare products. I have here Supergoop Sunscreen. So I think you're already familiar with Supergoop Sunscreen since I have already mentioned this during my first vlog when I've had my unboxing. And yes, I have been using this religiously every morning, as in this is the sunscreen that makes you want to put sunscreen. So I didn't show you a swatch of this before, so I'll show it to you today. Well, as you can see, it's really clear and it has a silicone type of feel. Kasi meron talaga siya sa ingredients ng dimethicone. So, yun yung parang feeling mo na meron kang primer. But it doesn't give you a job of a primer. Kasi yung primer usually is parang nagbe-blur ng pores, diba? Pero ito parang wala lang. So, meron siyang SPF 40 and it's water and sweat resistance for 40 minutes. So, you have to reapply, of course. Pero this sunscreen is very comfortable to wear. I don't think that you'll skip the sunscreen step when you try to use this one. The next beauty item is from Dyson, which is the Dyson Corral. I recently got this from Sephora. I used my points to get discount. Yeah, but I really find this useful because it's cordless. My hair is so thick, and whenever I try to use my previous ones, meron pa din siyang freeze. It's very long. It's around 3 meters, I think. At least kapag malaki ka sa outlet, hindi ka masyadong stress, just in case nalobat siya. It's magnetic. It can easily be removed without using any force. So when you try to put this one, it will just swivel around. So at least hindi siya masyadong hassle. Parang siya yung mag-a-adjust kung anong position ng sa buhok mo. For example, dito, and then mag-iikot lang siya. Plus, you can also use this one to curl your hair. It's quite heavy compared with other irons. Maybe because of the battery inside, or I don't know. Meron din siyang flexing plates, totoo. So it will adjust on the thickness of your hair. And I don't experience tugging of my hair kasi usually yung iba kong mga irons is meron silang space in between. Doon naiipit yung iba kong buhok. So it's really painful when you try to parang hilahin siya. Yeah, I really love this. This one is perfect for not expert in styling their hair. Kung tatamad-tamad kang mablansya or you don't want to spend time on ironing your hair, this one's gonna straighten up your hair fast. Very convenient because again, it's cordless. And then you can also try to remove this button here, the airplane button, so that you can use it whenever you travel. And the next one is a beauty tool. I've got an IPL. I purchased a similar one in eBay kasi madami na mga branded nito sa internet, but I tried to find one which is a cheaper or kaya naman yung parang similar ones. Before, I used to got treated with IPL way back in the Philippines, and I've got around 12 sessions or more than that. And then I've also got a laser here in some clinics. I've got around 6 sessions, so hindi siya natapos. I bought this as an alternative for my laser or IPL treatment. So I don't have any idea kung kailan matatapos itong COVID. I decided to order this one and it really works well. It served me well. Kasi sa laser, it's on 4 weeks bago tumubo yung hair. But this IPL, I think 2 weeks para tumubo ulit. So you just have to plug it in and then nailaw na siya. So it prompts na parang on na siya. So you just have to select the intensity. It has 1 to 5 intensities, and then you just have to press this button and then you can select up to 5, depende sa'yo. So since my pain tolerance is 0, I mean napakababa ng tolerance ko, pain tolerance, so I only use intensity 1 or level 1. Ayan siya. I'll try it on my arm para at least makita yung reaction ko if it's painful or something. Hindi siya painful. Ayan. Oh my God. Hindi siya painful pero super nakakabigla. So it's not really painful. It depends. Kasi intensity 1 lang ako parati or maybe 2. Pero it really feels painful to the skin surrounding your elbow or kaya naman yung knees. Dun ko lang nafe-feel yung sakit. Pero other than that, it's painless. Nakakagulat lang. Parang piniti ka lang ng rubber. Ganun. So yes, this is my favorite. Hanggang wala pa ng laser, then you can use this. So we will now proceed to my favorite home stuffs. So the first one is here at the back. Yan siya. This is free from Neighborhood. Thank you, Neighborhood. Bagong-bago pa siya. And wala pa siyang kagas-gas-gas-gas. Nakuha lang namin ito sa baba. And the good thing about this is meron siyang stand sa likod. Thank you, Neighborhood. So the next one is this rag. I got this from Target long time ago. And it's really cute. It gives a beautiful accent in this room. Para siya yung mga banig. So my next favorite is situated here in this kitchen, and most of them are parang drinking stuffs or ginagamit ko siya pag nagko-coffee, ganyan. So my next favorite one is from H&M. These are sold separately. These are sold separately, pero kinuha ko siya pareho kasi maganda siyang i-pair. And then it's so aesthetic. Meron siyang gold na rim. So, ayan, it's really cute and meron din siyang magandang handle. So, maganda siyang for tea and coffee. Then yan, you can drink coffee with fashion. So, diba? Cute niya. And then, ginagamit ko din siya for props sa mga picture, ganyan. It's really cute. Tapos, yeah, this is non-microwavable. Tinry ko siya sa microwave, tapos nag-spark. Jesus. Nag-spark siya, and then, sabi ko, parang may tumutunog. Ito na pala yun. So, meron na siyang mga spots. So, ayan. Kaya hindi ko na siya ginagamit. Pang ano na lang siya. Pang decor. Pero ayan. Ang cute niya pa din. And this is my favorite. And, ayan. So nice. So, the next one are clear cup and mug from IKEA and from Target. This one is really nice kasi gusto ko yung nakikita yung loob. So, nagko-collect ako ng mga clear ones. And then, eto naman, napaka-nice kasi double-walled. So, you can use this for hot drinks as well. So, ayan. It's really nice and medyo malabo lang kasi ginamit ako. Hindi pa siya hugas. Next one is this pitcher. And it's made up of cork type of lid, and I really like it kasi again, it's so aesthetic. Though wala lang siyang handle, so I really have to be very careful kasi baka mag-slip siya. Wala lang, parang maganda siyang pang decor or just in case na ayaw mo na maging pitcher, gawin mo siyang vase. Diba? It's multi-purpose. It's really cute. So, yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me till the end of this video. Thank you so much for your support. And thanks to those who sent me lovely messages regarding my previous vlogs. Thank you so much. And I'll be posting more about beauty, lifestyle content, and hopefully travel. Cross fingers when this lockdown ends. And, yep, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.